She
Hurt me, baby.
was the axe.
Hurt me, baby. Where's the camera?
That's a nice axe. Ask me no questions, I'll tell you no lies. Okay.
That's the axe. You wouldn't
And
ask.
look, there's no
You're covered.
microwave.
Uh-huh.
And this is Brenda. And let's open the bathroom
what?
door.
I got saved again.
She got saved again.
I
That's
got
good.
saved.
I'm going on tour with Paul Simon and the lady. Look, he gave me new shoes. I'm going on tour. Lady Smith Black Mambazo, or however you say it. He just gives them new shoes and they're like going. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. I don't like being on film.
Hi, Irma.
You gonna
Hi,
kill
baby
me.
doll.
Yeah, just act like you did me.
Wait a minute. Oh, hold up.
She's killing me. She's an ex-mother, but she's
I'm an
killing me.
I gotta get Julian too.
What is that, Jack Nichols? Oh, Red Round Runner. What's the scene from that